Your phone number is the lifeline of your DoorDash delivery operations. It serves as the primary communication channel between you, customers, and support teams. You'll need to update your phone number in several common situations: when you move to a new area, switch phone carriers, lose your phone, or want to use a dedicated business number. DoorDash provides three methods to update your phone number: through the Dasher mobile app, the Dasher web portal, or by contacting support directly. We'll focus on the easiest and most convenient method, the Dasher app. Here's the step-by-step process using the Dasher app. First, open your Dasher app and navigate to the account settings. You'll find this in the main menu. Next, select Account from the settings menu, then choose Personal Info. Look for the phone number option and tap on it to begin the update process. Enter your new phone number when prompted. The system will then send one-time password codes to both your current number and your new number for verification. This dual verification ensures security. Once both OTP codes are successfully entered, your phone number update will be complete. The system will confirm the change, and your new number will be active for all DoorDash communications immediately. When updating your phone number on the Dasher app, you might encounter OTP delivery issues. These problems are common and usually have simple solutions. The most common causes include delayed SMS delivery from your carrier, complications with international phone numbers, and poor network connectivity. Here are the step-by-step troubleshooting solutions you should try in order. If troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, DoorDash provides multiple support channels to help you update your phone number successfully. Live chat through the Dasher app typically responds within 3 to 5 minutes. Phone support has a 5 to 10-minute hold time, while email support responds within 24 to 48 hours. Security is crucial when updating your phone number. Following these best practices will protect your Dasher account from unauthorized access. Never share your OTP codes with anyone, as DoorDash will never ask for them. Always update your number immediately when it changes, and use secure networks for verification. Regular account maintenance is essential. Review your account monthly, audit contact information quarterly, and always set up backup verification methods. DoorDash is continuously enhancing security measures. Future updates will include multi-factor authentication, biometric verification, and AI-powered fraud detection to better protect your account. Staying proactive with these troubleshooting steps and security practices ensures uninterrupted service and protects your Dasher account from potential threats.